Hi, the reason why we use this story, There Will Come Soft Rains by Bradbury, is because of the irony that is used in this story of how the technology and business of people's schedule has dehumanized the society that we live in. This is just one of the backlashes of modern technology.
And then you got a couple dollars in the car.
Big check. And all I've got is credit cards and debit cards. I don't have any cash.
Not that everybody. Thanks. Hey, do you have the time?
I don't actually don't even have a phone with me right now.
Do you have a watch on?
I do. It is, it's 8:01. I gotta go to school. Run good.
I'm showing up. I just need some help, and nobody's got time for anything anymore. Anybody. Hey man, I got a question about something. You remember in that one class, the teacher was sitting there talking, and she wanted us to know, hey, you listen there?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, it's just great. Technology is a thing that destroys us all. That's why we should put our phones up. I mean, for God's sakes, he saw me on my phone. I don't know why he would bother to mess with me. Like, serious. No, that ain't right. Just put up your phone and pay attention to people around you who need help. For God's sakes, you can get hit by a car.